Welcome to Isinamuva Tutoring. Le video lena is one of our videos wethu wakuma-online classes wethu. Masenza ama-online classes sisuke siwenza kuba ama-class alive kanjena ku-Microsoft Teams. Sifunda in the evening from 7 to 10, Monday to Friday. So i-subject iba no 3 hours wayo. If kuyi-maths Monday izoba no 3 hours wayo, and then kusasa kube i-physics 3 hours wayo, and then kusasa kube i-life science 3 hours wayo, njengoba ubona kwi-timetable. Ama-classes wethu asuke live, so kusho ukuthi uyakwazi ukubuza umbuzo, uyakwazi ukungiphoza, uyakwazi ukuthi ngibuyele emuva, uyakwazi ukusho ukuthi awu-understandanga. On top of that, mase liphelile i-class ngikusendela i-recording yale class so that uzoba nayo i-recording ukuze uzokwazi ukuliphinda ngesikhathi sakho, uzokwazi ukulibuka in future uma usu-revise. If uyafisa-ke mhlawumbe uya-upgrade, ufisa ukukhuphula ama-marks wakho, Isinamuva is the right place for you. If wenza u-matric ufuna ukuthola labo A futhi nakhona, Isinamuva is the right place for you. Uma ufuna ukujoyina ama-online classes wethu-ke, siyacela ukuthi usi-WhatsApp kule number lena. Enjoy the video. Oh, another thing, kuyi-video lena njengoba ubona i-document le esiyikhandayo, sinama-documents esiwakhandayo Isinamuva from past papers a-organized ngenye indlela ehleleke ngendlela eyisimanga. La ku-description-ke ngiyifakile i-link to i-document if ufuna ukuyibona i-document yakhona ukuthi ehleleke kanjani. Yenzekela i-collision because before lana i-momentum ilokhu i-constant, okuwukuthi-ke kusho ukuthi bi-travela ngaleyo velocity ebi-travela ngayo, la futhi ibi-momentum isi-constant after, okuwukuthi-ke isi-travela nge-velocity e-travela ngayo-ke, okuyi-velocity encane kunale bi-travel. Remember, i-momentum idepende kwi-velocity. I-velocity uma inkulu, i-momentum inkulu, i-velocity uma incane, i-momentum uma incane, i-velocity incane. I-velocity uma incane, i-momentum incane, yes. Okay. Sinokha eli ngicela uku-collect i-data, ngizothi A lona. Sinokha A bathi une-mass of 1,500, so sino-1,500 kg lana. While ukha B yena bayasinikeza futhi nayo u-900 kg mass yakhe. So this is M of A, this is M of B. Bathi ubani ku-M of B? 900 kilograms. Car B was traveling at a constant velocity of 15 meters per second west. That is the initial velocity of B. West, remember, to the left, it was over negative 15 meters per second. Iyatholakala le nto le ne-understand. Before a collision, take east as positive. Okay, vele senze kanjalo wesithathu east as positive kube luckily. Consider the system isolated. Okay, this is the graph of momentum versus time for car A, specifically for car A. So whatever the information we can extract from the graph, that would be information on car A. Siyavumelana lapho. Okay, that is the information that you can extract momentum car A initial. Okubani oku-30,000 kg meters per second. Ngimthathe kg meters per second. Now my units la kuma-brackets angithi uyabona. And then the final momentum futhi kaka A sinayo bani 14,000, still positive, 14,000 kg meters per second. Okay. Remember, momentum ishintshe as a result of a collision. Sikuthatha ukuthi ishintshe as a result of a collision. Ngibona lana bathi the graph below shows how momentum of car A changes with time just before and after a head-on collision with car B. Leyo nto ngenza ukuthi-ke unga-understand ukuthi lesi sikhathi lesi futhi time of i-collision oku-delta T na-ke uma uconsider i-concept ye-impulse. Okuwukuthi-ke naye singakwazi ukumthola u-delta T. Ngicela ukumbhala lapha nendawo u-delta T wakhona ngoba ubhilonga kubo bo-2. So kuzoba u-20.2 minus 20.1, i-difference lapho u-0.1. So change in time, remember it's time final minus time initial, angithi. All right. Sekuthiwani-ke manje, what do you understand by the term isolated system as used in physics? The isolated system is the system whose net force is 0. A system whose net force is 0, usho kanjalo-ke mawukuthi babuza le question lena. A system whose net force is 0. Sebethi-ke manje-ke use the information in the graph to answer the following questions. Calculate the magnitude of velocity ka-car A just before i-collision. Uyayizwa leyo nkulumo leyo. Yini-ke sinayo? Uyabo even nama-marks anayo i-guidance kancane, mhlambe ubungeke uzucabange i-collision lokhu ukuthi uzothi sigma p before equals sigma p after ngendlela engiyibuka ngayo. It's only 3 marks. Okuwukuthi-ke kusho ukuthi singavele sisuke straight lana sifake i-formula le-momentum, angithi uyabona. Siqeda ukufaka i-formula le-momentum-ke i-question-ke yikho ukuthi phela nginayo yini i-momentum mawuqeda mhlawumbe ukulicabanga lelo formula. Obviously nginayo yini i-momentum, i-answer kuzoba yes, nginayo i-momentum before, ngoba bathi just before i-collision, angithi uyabona. Yebo nginayo. U-M nginaye, kusho ukuthi ngingakwazi ukumthola ku-V, angithi uyayibona leyo nto leyo. Ubani-ke u-P u-30,000, u-M ubani 1,500, ubani u-V, u-V lo esimfunayo kusho ukuthi u-VI of A, angithi uyabona. Singakwazi ukumthola u-VI of A ngokuthi sithini-ke 30,000 divided by 1,500 to 20 meters per second, uzoba positive ngoba besine-momentum e-positive, angithi uyabona ukuthi-ke vele bashilo ukuthi travela toward direction. Ngicela ukuthi ngiyibhale lana-ke i-initial velocity ka-A u-20 meters per second. So utholile ukuthi Max loyana ifunze kanjena ikhona i-question kodwa-ke engabuza ofisa ukubuza. There's nothing complicated ngama-graph, ukuthi nje phela kusuke kuyi-graph yabo, but iyo ngqo lento vele okuwukuthi uyayazi. U-B bathi-ke velocity of car B just after collision, angithi uyabona-ke sekuhlukile la ku-B, it's even for 5 marks. Okuwukuthi-ke mhlambe since kuyi-collision mhlambe ngingayicabanga kanje ngoba vele anginayo even i-momentum ka-car B. So engangisiza ku-A ngoku-understand-a ukuthi-ke ihamba kanjani. Asithi-ke lana-ke momentum initial of A plus momentum initial of B. Into eyenza ukuthi ngenze kanjena ngingasho ukuthi M1 VI1 ngoba of u-A nginayo lento lena u-VIA ku-30,000. So asikho isidingo sokuthi ngilokhu ngiqhaqha. Mhlawumbe u-B bengingamqhaqha, vele ngisazomqhaqha u-B ngoba khona ngine-mass and the initial velocity, angithi yabo bafuna ini? Bafuna i-final ka-B, not initial. I-final ka-B, angithi uyabona. So lana-ke ngingasho ukuthi okay, of ukha A ngicela ukwenza kanje kahle. Okay, ngicela ukuyenza ibe constant. Sengizothi-ke lana ubani 30,000 i-initial momentum le ka-A plus u-B yena u-900 times -15, uyabona i-momentum yakhe. I-final ka-A ubani 14,000 plus i-mass yakho ubani 900 VFB sifuna yena. Singakwazi-ke from lana uku-calculate u-VFB, angithi yazi-ke ngokwe-maths-ke kumele lo esale yedwa ngapha ala bese sidivide ngo-900 ukuze kuzosala lo esimfunayo yedwa. So ukuze lo esale yedwa ngapha kuzomele sitranspose lo 14,000 eze ngapha eshintshe isign. So ngizopressa yonke le nto ekwa-left njengoba injalo 30 1 2 3 plus ngivula i-bracket ngifaka u-900 ngivala i-bracket ngivula i-bracket ngifaka u-15 ngivala i-bracket bese ngithi equals to bese ngithi minus 14 1 2 3 ngithola i-answer 2500 lo 2500 ke khani-ke ngizomdivide ngobani ngo-900 bese-ke ngithola ukuthi 2.78 meters per second angithi yabona bathe calculate the velocity direction eyafuneka-ke to the ngeke ngisho ukuthi right basebenzisa east no-west kusho ukuthi east lo ngithanda ukuthi ngenze kanjalo uma bekuneze i-convention ethize especific ngistika to leyo convention leyo angithi yabo bethe lana take east as positive so sithola u-positive then kusho ukuthi ki-favor u-east ngaleyo reason leyo. I hope kuyezwakala. Elandelayo-ke calculate the magnitude of the average net force acting on ukha A. Angithi uyayizwa leyo nto leyo. On ukha A. Angeke ngize ngisebenzise izinto yikakha A. I-reason yami-ke eyenza ukuthi ngingayisebenzisi izinto yikakha A. Uyakhumbula ngithi vele ukuthi mas-calculate i-magnitude of net force acting on ikha A, ungasebenzisa ika A noma ika B ngoba iyafana according to Newton third law, i-magnitude of the net force acting on lama objects o2. But-ke ngibuka ukuthi-ke okay kuyafana bengibuka ukuthi anginayo i-final velocity ka-A but i-change in momentum is P final minus P initial iyasebenza nakanjalo ithi ngisale sengiyisebenzisa ngamabomu ngimiyeke lo ngicabanga ukuthi-ke futhi lena-ke i-good even on explaining leya nto leyana-ke noma-ke on supporting leya into engangisho ukuthi ngoba lo VF ka-B umcalculate wena akafani nalaba laba bakunikeze kulula ukuthi mhlambe uthole wrong la bese uthi wena ufuna ukucalculate ngayo net force usebenzise lo nalo bese uba nenkinga uthi wrong lo usuthi uthola wrong ne-net force. So sithena-ke thina ngcono uthathe vele zona lezi abakunikeze zona. I hope kuyezwakala. Kade kodwa kasengiyikhuluma ama-videos eyisola kunjalo masisolva besenza kanjalo. Alright. Futhi sino-Fnet delta T, remember i-net force singayithola lapho from Fnet delta T equation P. Fnet sifuna yena ngibuyisele delta T ngithi remember ilona ngithi but akekho right maye kanje ngoba ngifuna ukusebenzisa ama-momentum not ama-mass nama-velocity. So i-change in momentum ibi-right-ke maye kanje mayithi P F minus P I angithi yabona oku-momentum final minus momentum initial. Final ubani 40,000 1 2 3 minus 30,000 initial 1 2 3 uyakwazi ukuthola Fnet-ke ngokuthi uthini 14 1 2 3 minus 30 1 2 3 equals bese divided by 0.1 ngithola u-minus 160,000 minus 160 1 2 3 but here angeke siyisho i-negative kuzoba 160 1 2 3 Newton west ngoba ikhethe isayini e-negative kanti thina o-positive kithi u-east. I hope iyatholakala leyo nto leyo. Sesiqedile ngale question lena sesingaya kwelandelayo uma ukhona umbuzo kodwa ngathi uphendule umbuzo before simove on to i-question elandelayo. Okay, a 2 kg block sine-object-ke lana i-mass yayo-ke u-2 kg. Okay, sino 2 kg block slider to the right ke on a frictionless horizontal surface at sine initial velocity ke yayo le object lena 4 meters per second, a force of 90 force 2500 newtons, but seeing ngale force length is now exerted on a block for a short period of time is indicated with graph. Okay. So ku-active force kule object lena but for a short period of time, but nayi understanding esinayo-ke ukuthi-ke le force ewu-2500 exertiwe njengoba bethi for a short period of time siyakwazi ukuyithola leyo short period of time ngokuthini i-object le mayihambela ne i-force esuke i-exertwa kuyo since le system isolated kusuke ku-0 so sonke lesi sikhathi lesi 0 and then all of a sudden kwakhona u-2.5 exertwayo nakho se-exertiwe for lesi sikhathi and then it went back to 0. So for this short while we had i-force ewu-2500 for how long? For 11 minus 10 oku-1 but angithi umfundo focusile ngawa summarize ama-graphs akuyena u-1 nje kuphela but u-1 times 10 exponent bani minus 3 seconds. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo angithi now la kuma-brackets ngathi siyayi-check-a zonke lezo zinto lezo. Kuthiwa-ke define the term impulse. Impulse is the product of the net force acting on an object and the time the net force acts on an object. Sasho kanjalo must define impulse. Elandelayo kuthiwa calculate the magnitude of the impulse on the block. Uyabona. Ngokujwayela kwethu sesajwayela ukuthi i-impulse ke sodinga final velocity, initial velocity. Okay, kule concept le sesajwayela ukuthi so calculator sodinga whatever so i-calculator mhlambe sodinga i-momentum i-change in momentum ukuthi i-mass, final velocity, initial velocity kanti la asinazo lezo zinto lezo but uya-understand ngithi ukuthi i-impulse njengoba ineformula kanje elithi F net delta T equals change in P. Singakwazi ukuthi substitute kuleli side elingapha le-impulse angithi uyabona okuwukuthi-ke kusho ukuthi-ke singasho ukuthi mhlambe F net delta T mhlambe is i-force ubani noma ngithi mhlambe ukuthi ngivele ngifile ngathi snacks maye kanjena angazi ukuthi okay actual ayikho snacks ngicela ukwenza kanjalo i-force ubani u-2500 khathi ubani 1 times 10 exponent -3 usuzothola-ke i-impulse yakho mase uperform i-calculation lana okuwukuthi-ke 2500 times 1 times 10 exponent -3 sithola u-2.5. So this is 2.5 Newton times second ngoba sithathe force times anesikhathi. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. Number 1, number 2-ke loko. Number 3, calculate the velocity of the block immediately after the force stops acting on the block if force was exerted to the right. Okay, if the force is exerted to the right, i-object bebethini slide to the right angithi uyabona. Okay. Singakwazi ukuyithola leyo nto ngalo futhi iformula le-impulse masiyibuka lento lena ngoba sino F net delta T equals change in P. Buka-ke mangiliqaqa leli formula leli F net delta T equals M VF uye simfunayo minus uVI u4 lo oku4 meters per second the initial velocity. Ubani lona ke uF net delta T u2.5. Uzoba positive noma uzoba negative, uzoba positive. Why? Because by exert force to the right, isikhathi is always positive. I-time scale quantity sihlezi positive. I-force by exert to the right okwenza ukuthi yonke lento ibe positive. So i-substitution yami-ke izoba positive we kanjalo ka-2.5. And then lana ngine-mass, ubani mass u-2 kg. UVF sifuna yena minus uVI, uminus weformula uVI unjani upositive, so kuzoba kanje la okuneyithola leyo nto leyo. So kuzoba ubani-ke lana 2. Okay, angithi yazi ngizoremove ama-brackets, angithi okay ngicela ukuvele ngiyenze nje kanjena bona sizoyibona. Angithi uyabona kushuthi sekuzoba u-2.5 plus 8 angithi, and then over 2. So i-final velocity-ke u5.25 meters per second. I hope neyithola. U-A lo, u-B bathi if be exited to the left. To the left-ke u-affecta only lo 2.5 lo uzoba negative lo 2.5 lona. So umehluko ukuthi sizokwenza lo 2.5 ebe negative ngoba mas apply force to the left kusho ukuthi ke i-impulse izogcina ithi to the left. Imass u2 final velocity sifunayo ni-initial 4 positive lo minus ukuthi siya owe-formula. Kuzoba ubani-ke minus 2.5 equals to VF minus 8 angithi uyabona. So no minus 2.5 plus 8 this is divided by 2. Tolu 2.75 UVF. 2.75 meters per second. Iyo-ke noma niyitholile yini. Ihamba kanjani? Noma niya-understand-a kodwa ukuthi why lena enye inkulu lena enye incane. Obvious angithi i-force la ibithi to the right i-force la. Kanti object initially vele ibithi to the right. Kufana nokuthi into iyahamba vele when uyayiphusha futhi uyayisiza ukuthi ihambe. Obviously izohamba kakhulu. Kanti lana i-object ibithi to the right, when usu-apply i-force ethi opposite direction kufana nokuthi oppose motion izama ukuhamba wena uyayivimba, so izogcina isihamba kancane. Yenza sense-ke uma uyibuka mhlawumbe kanjalo. I hope niya-understand-a ukuthi why kune-difference kuma-velocities lawa enkulu. 160 grams ngiyakwata uma ngibona lo 160 grams ngoba manje i-mass angibi ne-mass ekuma-grams kwi-physics. Ngabe ngcono i-chemistry bese sobe si-happy-ke ngalo 160, but-ke kuzomele ngimconvert right away. Uma ngimbona nje ukuthi awukuma-grams bese ngiyayilungisa udivide ngo-1000 ukusuka kuma-grams uya kuma-kilograms. A 160-ke cricket ball is thrown with a speed of, basinikeza-ke i-initial speed-ke oku-10 meters per second. Sebethi-ke it is hit straight backwards towards a cricket bowler. Or i-cricket ball is thrown angithi ngo-10 and then bese kuyashawa straight to where it's coming from. Okuwukuthi-ke kusho ukuthi-ke manje it's traveling in the opposite direction. The contact time of the ball with the cricket bat, sesine-cricket bats lana, le abayishaya ngayo-ke ibhola 6 times 10 exponent negative 3 seconds. The graph below represents the force exerted by the bat on the ball as function of time. Angithi uyabona. So njengamanje-ke sesingakwazi ukuthi siphenduleke imibuzo kabayibuza. If we were to take lona-ke as inakhunja i-velocity futhi bezoba mhlawumbe singathi to the right and then mayise buyele emuva to the left, so lotheni ku-right e-positive kanje. Bathi-ke define, siyayibona ngithi graph kanjani, force in Newton, time in seconds noma-ke microseconds, but-ke asithi seconds ngoba vele ama-units esiwafunayo u-seconds. Okay, define impulse of a force in weight. The product of the net force acting on an object and the time the net force acts on an object. That's how you define impulse. Next question, remember after defining impulse, the very first calculation, that is the hint. Since impulse in a formula, by defining impulse, bayakunikeza hint. Okay, the next calculation ozohlangana nayo, maybe you can use the formula impulse. But number 2, what is the magnitude of the maximum force exerted by the ball on the bat? Graph the graph below represents the force exerted by the bat. This is the graph of the force exerted by the bat on the ball. But what is the magnitude of the maximum force exerted by the ball on the bat? Asinayo a graph of the force exerted by the ball on the bat, but understand that Newton's third law, this is also the graph of the force exerted by the ball on the bat. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. Kubalulekile ukuthi nikukhumbule-ke lokho. Sekuthiwa-ke manje-ke i-maximum kusho ukuthi 3,000 i-answer, yi-maximum leyo. We did not go beyond 3,000, angithi yabo. So this is the maximum. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. What does the area under the graph represent? Mawuzokhumbula-ke mas-interpret ama-graphs, ngikhulumile ngokuthi vele one of izinto ozoyi-check-a when interpreting ama-graphs is the area between the graph and the x-axis. Babuza yona-ke la ukuthi representa ini. Sisibone i-area, mhlawumbe masinga-consider the first part, maybe le part lena, uyabona ukuthi right angled triangle leyana. I-area-ke mhlawumbe singayithola kanjani 1/2, but asinendaba no 1/2. 1/2 is just a constant, angithi uyabona. So sesizothini-ke la half base times height 1/2 sinendaba ne-base, i-base yini isikhathi. So sine-time lana, let's say delta t, and then i-height ubani sine-force. Ngiyenzile example kanje. Uyayazi le nto familiar nayo, but uyazi mayime kanje. We impulse. Never mind 1/2, still impulse. Half of impulse, whole of impulse, 2 times impulse, still is impulse. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. So i-answer-ke lana-ke ka-number 3, impulse. Maybe bebekunikeza i-hint even nala kahle kahle ukuthi okay, njengoba bekubuza i-area, you might as well maybe use the area ku-next question to represent the impulse. Angithi uyabona bathi calculate impulse, sicabanga iformula le-impulse, sebekhuluma nge-area manje, i-area nayo represent i-impulse. How? Sekuthiwa calculate the speed with which the ball leaves the bat. Angithi uyabona sinaso leso speed, that is the final velocity. Angithi uyabona nayi into esiyi-understandayo sine-impulse. Angithi uyabona lesiqeda ukuthi discover ukuthi i-area i-represent i-impulse. Ake sizame yona-ke i-impulse, vele besiqeda nokuyi-state. Angithi uyabona. So i-impulse singayithola kanjani-ke lana? Mhlawumbe singasho ukuthi-ke okokuqala mhlawumbe umuntu engathi-ke i-area Ngithanda ukuthi siyenze kanje khona mhlawumbe sizoyibona siqale si-calculate i-impulse yethu ungamangali manje sengifaka u-1 over 2 kwamanye amafomula ngcono ngithi area equals 1 over 2 base times height bese ngithi-ke 1 over 2 eh ibase kuzoba ubani kuzoba u-6 kuzoba u-6 ibase i-height kuzoba ubani 3000. Okay, i-answer-ke engizoyithola-ke lana-ke kuzoba yiyo-ke i-impulse yami oku-9000 so ngino-9000 Newton second okuyi-area yami but i-area yami-ke ilingana nani ne-impulse so ngizothi-ke equals F net delta T i-answer yami yala therefore F net delta T equals change in P sengiyenza nje ibe yile but akunendaba MVF minus VI angisilana 1 2 3 imass ubani 0.16 imass yethu 0.16 i-final velocity sifuna yona initial velocity positive 10 okay singakwazi ukuthola i-final velocity-ke lana ngicela ukuthi ngithi 0.16 times 10 bese ngithi plus 9000 bese divided by 0.16 i-velocity yami 56 yo into engaka 56,260 meters per second yo hayi ngizama ukuthola kahle kahle lana ukuthi hayibo why ngithole i-answer enkulu kangaka ngempela akunendaba kodwa i-answer engiyitholile leyo kushuthi le bet leni inamandla ngenye indlela eshaya ibhola lihambe kangaka yo hey angiyiboni into e-wrong ekungabe siyenzile la so why kungeyona-ke i-answer. While catching the ball, a cricket fielder pulls his hands backward or towards his body. Or backwards here, but towards his body. Explain why this is done by using Newton's second law in terms of momentum. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngangayisho-ke le nto le njengoba u-3 marks i-exactly ngendlela engangisho ngayo. Point lokuqala uzothi-ke time of contact increases. So the cricket fielder is trying to increase the time of contact, angithi uyabona. And then force, noma net force experienced, asisho kanjalo, net force experienced decreases. Ngase ngithi-ke at the same at the same change in momentum. Uthi F net equals change in P over change in T. Newton's second law in terms of momentum uvela kwifomula le-impulse udivide ngo-delta T ngapha nangapha. So le nto ithi loma emkhulu lo mncane. Isikhathi mase sikhulu i-force incane. So lo muntu mayebamba ibhola-ke isizani le move increase the time of contact okusho ukuthi lo uba mkhulu lo emkhulu lo uzoba mncane iyo into engiyibhalile la at the same kodwa change in momentum awuyikhohlwa le part leka at the same change in momentum uyenze kanjena uzothola u3 marks ungalokhu ubhala ama-paragraphs angazi why ipeni yami lokhu ingabhali manje lokhu yenze into ezisinaks asike ku-question elandelayo. Okay, the momentum versus time graph of object A. Okay, siyabona ku-object A lona. Basitshelile ukuthi object A lona. Originally moving horizontally east is shown below, here to the right, into yethu. Write down the definition of momentum in words. The product of a net force, a product of an object's mass and its velocity. Yogi momentum leo, the product of the net force and its velocity. Bese uthola 2 marks again. Sekuthiwa-ke manje write down the definition. Oh, the net force acting on object A is 0 between time t seconds and 10 seconds and 20 seconds. Okay. Baqinisile. Yes, baqinisile. Even after la uyabona okay, la i-net force e-acta kwi-object u-0 nala futhi i-net force e-acta kwi-object u-0 ngoba igraph i-momentum ayishintshi angithi uyabona okusho ukuthi object-ke ihamba nge-velocity-ke efanayo-ke constant kanti lana ayiwona u-0 nala futhi ayiwona u-0 nala futhi ayiwona u-0 i-net force e-acta kwi-object kusho khona into eyenzakalayo kwi-object lana kukhona into eyenzakalayo kwi-objects lana la futhi khona into eyenzakalayo kwi-object kanti la khona ihambela nje nala iyayihambela okungenzeka mhlambe-ke lana ukuthi mhlambe i-object ingabe i-speeder down uyabo ngoba ngibona i-momentum it goes from 100 to 50 kungenzeka ukuthi i-speeder down kungenzeka futhi ukuthi iyashayisana kungenzeka izinto ey'kanjalo nala futhi kungenzeka ukuthi maybe i-speeder down yama and then yathi opposite direction esibuyela kwelinye iside but into engiyi-understand-ayo ukuthi la i-object isibheke e-west ngoba manje i-momentum yethu isi-negative kanti thina sithatha to the right as positive so kuleli side elingapha i-momentum yethu injani i-positive okuwukuthi kusho ukuthi mhlambe i-object okay okusho ukuthi i-object iya to the right not ukuthi mhlambe and then the side sine-momentum e-negative okusho ukuthi object siya kwi-negative direction I hope niyayithola mhlawumbe lokho singaku-interpret-a okwamanje then lana-ke kuma-x-axis njengala i-object khona ayimuvi nala futhi ayimuvi object asizwe kama-questions right oh use the graph and relevant calculation to explain why this statement is true okay oh but and relevant calculation use the graph and relevant calculation ukusho ukuthi why lesi statement si-true ithi-ke senze kanjena ukuze ngempela kube ukuthi siyuza i-graph and i-relevant calculation asicalculate-eni-ke i-force njengoba bethi nje the net force acting on A is 0 between this time kusho ukuthi sothi-ke thina F net delta T equals change in P angithi uyabona. F net isifuna yena. Okay, I think it's delta T ngizolungisa la ngizovela ngithi P final minus P initial of yena A. F net isikhathi ubani delta T final minus initial 20 minus 10 is 10. Momentum final 50 lapha at 20 seconds 50. Again futhi at 10 seconds still ubani so still 50. Ngizwa ngibhala 10 sengicabanga ngalo 10 seconds. I-answer kuzokuze so explainile ke using i-graph and relevant calculation. Ukuthi phela bekungamele ibe into kanje ngenzela ukuthi u-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. But into ebalulekile ukuthi there's no change in momentum. Therefore, there's no impulse, okusho there's no force acting, basically. I hope thola leyo nto leyo kubalekile ukuthi nibe naleyo understanding leyo. Sebethi-ke manje calculate the magnitude of the impulse that object A experiences between time t20 and t50. Angithi uyabona between time t20 and t50 ini magnitude of impulse. Impulse is the change in momentum. But the formula impulse it is sisebenzise isibona ukuthi ku number 3 sithola F net delta T equals change in P. F net delta T equals P final ngizoyithatha kanjalo minus P initial. Ngisebenzisa leli side ngoba nginawo ama-momentum. Bathe between time bani konje time t20 ubani i-momentum at time t20 u-50 ubani momentum at t50 u-minus 120. I-final yami ku-minus 120 minus i-initial 50 angithi uyabona. So i-impulse yami-ke izothini-ke minus 120 minus 50 kuba u-minus 170 kg meters per second. Kodwa-ke kumele ngiyilungisa ngithi. So sekumele ngithi 170 kg meters per second. Bathe calculate the magnitude. So i-direction kasiyifaka bafuna the magnitude. That is i-impulse yethu-ke. I hope niyayithola. At T50, object A collides with another object, which has the momentum of momentum yale object lena. That is momentum yayo initial object B, but in the momentum ubani 70 othi east kusho positive 70 kg meters per second. At time bani time t50 uyacollide u-object wethu. Okay, use the information from the graph and relevant principle to calculate the momentum of B after a collision. So the momentum lega B after to PF of B. PF of B. I hope niyayithola leyo nto le. Asiyazi PF of B. Okay, angazi noma niya-understand ukuthi from time t50 ngizama ukucollect data manje sengiyi-collectile ka-A ngine-momentum initial, i-momentum final ngifunayo. Bani i-momentum initial ka-A? Sengizodinga lokho angithi uyabona. Ni-momentum final ka-A. I-momentum initial ka-A si-consider, remember, from iqala ukushayisana lapho ishayisane khona ishayisane at time t50. So at time t50 ine-initial momentum minus 120 kg meters per second. Low object A meters per second. I hope niyayithola. And then i-final ka-A bani ifike shuthi nayi-ke i-time of collision noma-ke this is during the collision. And then from lapho yabuyela yazoba constant kusho ukuthi u50 i-final yakhe. I hope niyayithola leyo nto. Then u-positive u50 wakhona so kuzoba u50 kg meters per second. Sigma p before collision again equals sigma p after. P initial of A plus P initial of B equals P final of A plus P final of B. Initial ubani minus 120 plus initial of B ubani positive 70 equals final of A 50 plus final of B sifuna yena. Singakwazi ukumthola-ke lana ukuthi ubani u-P final of B. Sizofika sithi minus 120 plus 70 sithole i-answer bese sithi minus 50. Sithola ku-minus 100 kg meters per second. Ngizoyilungisa-ke, remember angeke uyishiye i-negative i-vector negative specify direction. Bafuna ini konje bona to calculate the momentum, okay, true to west. Abashongo the magnitude bathe the momentum in a direction momentum, so kubalulekile uyi-specify. I hope niyayithola. Bekumele nenze kanjalo-ke ku-number 4. Okay. 2 identical objects P and Q with mass of 12 kg each. Both una-ke bane-mass of 12 kg, but identical objects. So besilindele ukuthi ne-mass yabo ifane. Asithi u-P lona, sithi u-Q lo. I-mass ka-P ubani u-12 kg. I-mass ka-Q ubani u-12 kg. I'm moving side by side with initial velocity of, angithi uyabona ukuthi sinobani initial velocity of P 5.5. Kanjalo-ke neka-Q 5.5. Okay. Kuthiwe east yikho ngibhale aba-positive. The following graphs show the net force experienced by each object respectively during the same time interval. Ba-experience-ke lama-forces-ke lawa ngendlela bawa-experience ngayo. Sekuthiwa calculate the total impulse by uQ in 10 seconds. I-impulse by uQ in 10 seconds. Angazi noma niya-understand, mana-understand lento yama-graphs lena. Remember i-impulse, sesiyikhulumile indaba ye-impulse ukuthi i-representwa i-area lama ukuthi angithi uyabona i-area, let's say nje sithatha le portion le graph. Izothi half base times height, i-triangle angithi right angled triangle. I-base kuzobe kuwubani kuyisikhathi, okay, delta t. Kuzobe ku-delta t. And then i-height kuzobe kuwubani u-F net. U-F net delta t i-impulse angithi uyabona. So njengoba bethi calculate i-impulse kusho ukuthi kulama-graph lawa silindele ukuthi si-calculate i-area. But-ke buku-Q ngendlela akangakhona. Into eyenzakalayo uma u-understand ama-graphs-ke nokuthi mhlambe kwenzakalani lana, uzo-understand ukuthi ucalculate i-impulse in 10 seconds, we only need le parts le kuphela. Le parts le asiyidingi, le parts le asiyidingi. Why singayidingi? Ngoba le parts lena engiyi-highlight-e ngo-blue izokhanselana nale parts le. Lama parts owu-2 ayalingana ibase yakhona u2 lana, ibase yala u2. I hope uyayithola leyo nto le. Ibase yala yalo oblue u2, ibase yalo oblue u2, i-height yalo oblue u10 opositive, i-height yalo ubani u-10. So uma uthatha i-area lana kuzobe kuyi-area e-positive, i-area la kuyi-area e-negative, kodwa zifana in magnitude, okuwukuthi bazokhanselana lama-area owu2, kusale-ke le area-ke le ingakhanselanga nalutho. Ngoba phela ngoku-understand-a, angithi uyakhumbula ngithe i-impulse i-area between i-graph nama-x-axis. So na i-graph nawo ama-x-axis le area, na i-graph nawo ama-x-axis le area, plus na i-graph nawo ama-x-axis le area. Kusho ukuthi kahle kahle bekumele sikhalkulate ama-area awu-1, 2, 3, siwa-add owu-3 lama-area ngoba sisuka ku-0 siya ku-10. But into engiyisho ukuthi-ke ukuze ibe lula-ke lo nalo bazokhanselana bese kusala lona. But ungazenzela-ke wena eceleni uyi-check-e, wenze u-half base times height walana, wenze u-half base times height wala, ungakhohlwa ukuthi height yakhona u-10 yala. Bese-ke wenza u-length times breadth wala, ngithi uyabona lena i-rectangle angithi. So ngeke uthi half base times height, akuyona i-triangle le. Uma u-add-a zonke ezo-3 lezo zinto uzothola into efanayo nanomuntu ovele wathatha lo kuphela. So i-impulse-ke futhi mhlawumbe engingayisho ukuthi ngithi i-impulse yalana nali ifomula le-impulse angithi uyabona. But-ke le nto lena equals i-area-ke mhlawumbe sesingakwazi ukuthi sithi ukuthi phela-ke angazi noma ngizothi ngiyenza complicated kanje, but kuyafana. Sengizoba nobani-ke manje, sengizoba no-10 minus 4, ngifuna ukuthola part le 10 minus 4 is 6 angithi, and then lona -10. So kusho ukuthi u-60 lona Newton second. Okuwukuthi-ke therefore F net delta T equals -60. Oh, sorry, isayina ngithi ngimenza ukuba positive. Kusho ukuthi u-60 Newton second. I-direction-ke uma ukuthi bayayifuna, okay, bayayifuna ngoba bathe the total impulse, abasho the magnitude. So i-direction kuzoba ubani west ngoba iphume yaba negative. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. Sekuthiwa-ke compare without using any calculations manje. The total impulse for object P with that of object Q. Write down greater than, smaller than, or equal to. Ngokubuka nje lento lena uyabona ukuthi vele izoba nkulu i-impulse kalo. I-impulse ka-P izoba nkulu. Why ngithi izoba nkulu i-impulse ka-P? Angithi i-impulse represent ama-area. U-add ama-area-ke. Uma u-add le area lena nale area lena, already usuthola into enkulu kunale. Angithi uyabona. I hope niyayithola. So into eyenzakalayo lana ukuthi vele lona ebekade travela east, and then all of a sudden useyabuyiselwa manje uyiswa e-west. Kanti lona yena ebetravela east waqhubeka waye east futhi ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. So kuyayenza isense ukuthi impulse kalo ibe nkulu eka T. So i-answer-ke u-greater than. Calculate the final velocity of Q. Bafuna i-final velocity ka-Q manje. Yini esinayo ka-Q? Sine-initial velocity, sinane-impulse. So sine-impulse-ke okubani? Okuwu-60. Awukhohliwe ukuthi u-negative kahle kahle lo 60 lo. So kwidatha yakho noma kwi-substitution kumele ebe negative, angithi uyabona. Kulula-ke u-F net delta T equals change in P. Singakwazi ukuyithola la i-final velocity ka-Q. F net delta T wonke sinayo -60 mass final velocity sifunayo initial velocity 5.5. So sino minus 60, mass uba 12. Final velocity sifunayo initial 5.5 or positive. So siyakwazi ukuthola i-final velocity from lana. Should sogcina sino 12 times 5.5 bese sidivide ngithola u-0.5 meters per second. Angazi noma ngenze kahle yini. Bebethe ka-P noma ka-Q i-final velocity. Final velocity ka-Q. Final velocity ka-Q kumele ibe negative. Why ngithole answer positive? No minus 60 plus angi-understand ukuthi why ngithole answer e-positive. Ngoba u-object Q ugcina manje ene-impulse negative. Okusho ukuthi i-force ithini? Mana-ke, okay, kungenzeka. Okay, i-right kahle kahle sengiyabona. Yes, i-force ithi uyale emuva. But le force leni effect yayo ayiresultanga ini yena eya emuva. I-resulte ini yena egcine sehamba kancane ukube le force lena was big enough ibizogcina imenza ukuthi eyele emuva. But ayimenzanga kusho ukuthi ibingekho big enough. Ibe big enough just ukuthi yehlise i-velocity yayo yakhe from 5 to 5.5 to as little as u-0.5 meters per second. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. Kufanele ukuthi lento iyahamba iyalena kufika i-force iyayiphusha kodwa manje yona isaqhubeka ngoba ibino-velocity enkulu angithi yabo, so ilokhu iyancipha i-velocity iyancipha yagcina-ke isiwubani isiwu-0.5 ekugcineni after 10 seconds. So kuyayenza-ke isense ukuthi kube ukuthi-ke yes i-positive i-velocity yakhona. Right. Yiyo-ke into ebesibhizi ngayo lena, iyodwa i-question engangenanga lana ukuthi ngiyifake sibe bhizi ngayo le question leyo kuma-corrections kulama questions ebenginike wona. Angazi-ke noma ngingakwazi ukuyenza multiple choice leyana just for fun. Bengiyifakile i-multiple choice le document leyana. Ephileni kumele ukuthi wenze ama-question document. Sicela ukuthi-ke i-lesson elandelayo kungabi lesson e-momentum. Sesiqedile le chapter, kumele singene kwi-chapter elandelayo. Ngizocela mhlambe kube angazi sobona phakathi kwe-VPM no-organic chemistry, but kuyayenza-ke i-sense kimi ukuthi kube i-organic chemistry. Iyi-chapter enkulu kakhulu and manje inde and manje inokuba complicated-ke kwesinye isikhathi uma ukuthi kawa-understand-anga ama-basics. Ngicela ukuthi ngithathe lona-ke ngimfake simbone ukuthi siyakwazi yini ukumsolve. That's questioning. Okay. Bathi-ke a truck of mass, sine-mass-ke lana truck A lo. So i-mass ka-A lena oku-2000 kg. moving eastwards, east-ke kusho ukuthi-ke ine-velocity positive, initial velocity, collides with truck B, sekuno-objects B lana, of mass, so i-mass ka-B lena, 1,500 kg. The graph shows how momentum of each truck varies with time. Okay, le graph ke lena yama momentum O2. I-momentum ka-object A, i-momentum ka-object ku-truck A no-truck B. I hope niyayithola leyo nto le. Ngoku-understand-ke ukuthi okay, igraph ye-momentum lena kusho ukuthi kune-initial momentum la bekungakenzeki lutho la. Ngithi yabo bekungakenzeki lutho la, siyabona ukuthi constant momentum. That is the initial momentum ka-truck A. And then all of a sudden manje momentum ka-truck A iyashintsha, but still usaya ku-same direction ngoba manje sine-final momentum e-positive ka-A. Ibikade nje isasenje kusho ukuthi-ke ziyashayisana, kodwa manje usaqhubeka-ke u-A uya lapha ade yangakhona. Kusho ukuthi kufana nokuthi uyamphusha, uphusha u-B kahle kahle. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. I-understanding-ke lapho. So ngine-initial momentum ka-A okuwubani-ke, kodwa 6 times 10 exponent 3 kg meters per second. Ube careful ey'ntweni ey'kanje. And then i-final momentum yakhe u-A sinayo futhi loya 1.0 times 10 exponent 3 kg meters per second. Okay. Asiye ku-truck B, sinayo i-initial momentum ka-truck B. I-initial momentum ka-truck B asinayo, angithi uyabona. Ngicabanga ukuthi kusobala lokho. P I of B i-unknown, angithi uyabona. Ngoba nakho abazivezelanga, but-ke iyaqhubeka-ke manje ithi-ke i-final momentum ka-B ubani? U-2.0 times 10 exponent okay, final momentum ka-truck B kuba u-2.0 times 10 exponent 3 kg meters per second. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. Sekuthiwa-ke ku-number 1-ke, write down the principle of conservation of linear momentum. In an isolated system, the total linear momentum remains constant. Write down the initial momentum of truck A, 6 times 10 exponent 3 kg meters per second. Ungawakhohlwa ama-units, kg meters per second. Determine the magnitude and direction of the velocity of a truck B before a collision. Truck B before a collision. Truck B before asinayo kwa-momentum level njengoba befuna bona i-velocity. Okusho ukuthi singayithatha siqale siyenze kanje sithi sigma P before equals sigma P after, ngithi uyabona. Bese sithini-ke sino P initial of A plus P initial of B equals P initial, okay, P final of B plus P final, okay, of A, P final of A plus P final of B. Ubani P initial of A, 6 times 10 exponent 3 plus P initial of B asinayo, but the question, remember, ayifuni P initial of B. Singakwazi ukuyiqhaqa lento le, but ubungaqhubeka no P initial of B and then mawuqeda iqhaqa ekugcineni akunankinga, but ngicela ukuthi ngithi mass of B ke lana okubani oku-1,500 and then V initial of B bafuna yena vele kwi-question equals P final of A sinayini is 1.0 times 10 exponent 3 plus P final of B 2.0 times 10 exponent 3. And then V initial of B siyakwazi ukumthola-ke from lana. Cabanga ukuthi niyayibona lento ukuthi ihamba kanjani. So ngino 1 times 10 exponent 3 plus 2.0 times 10 exponent 3 equals, and then minus 6 times 10 exponent 3 equals, and then divided by 1,500. Okay, ngithola -2. So -2 meters per second kusho ukuthi-ke u-2 meters per second lo west. Noma besebenzisa east no west in la. Okay, yeah, west noma-ke westwards. I hope niyayithola leyo nto leyo. Sebethi-ke manje is the collision between the track elastic or inelastic. Show how you arrived at the answer by means of calculations. Now ile question no calculator prove a calculation. Remember ihamba kanje. Ithi sum of ek before uzomela uyicalculate. Sicalculate kanjani? 1/2 ma via squared plus 1/2 mb vi b squared. Object 1 initial, object 2 initial. But here ngicela ukwenza kanje la angithi yakhumbula ukuthi p equals mv angithi. Okay, ngifuna ukuchecka something lana ukuthi noma meso u2. Okay, now remember p equals mv, okusho ukuthi ngingakwazi ukuthi ngithi u-m noma uv p over m. I-reason yenza ukuthi ngithi uv u-p over m ingoba sengifuna ukwenza i-substitution manje ngiku-1/2 ngifuna imass ka-a. Imass ka-a ubani? Imass ka-a u-2000 angithi uyabona. So no-2 1 2 3 lana, but uvi of a anginaye, uvi of a angithi uyabona, but ngine-initial momentum yakhe u-a. So better ukuthi ngenze kanje, from i-moment ngithi uv ngiyakwazi ukumsolva. So uv wami kuzoba ubani? I-momentum over i-mass. I hope niyayithola leyo nto le. So kuzoba i-momentum over i-mass. So kuzoba u-6 times 10 exponent 3 over 1 to 3 squared plus 1/2 imass ka-b ubani? 1,500 yini imass ka-b? Imass ka-b 1,500. So kusho ukuthi ngizothi 1,500. And then uvi of b ubani? Uv initial of b ngiqeda ukumthola-ke -2. Remember bethu was to -2 squared. Ngiyakwazi-ke la ukuthola-ke whatever in joules. Bese ngithi-ke sigma i-k after manje sengifuna ukuthola-ke manje i-sum of kinetic energy after 1/2 ma v f a squared plus 1/2 mb v f b squared. 1/2 imass ka-a u2 1 2 3. UVF ka-a nginaye uVF ka-a. Ngoba uVF ka-a kodwa nginayo i-momentum final. Ngokwenza njengoba ngenzile-ke lana 1.0 times 10 exponent 3 over 2 1 2 3 squared plus 1/2. Kodwa bungayi-avoid-a ngithi le nto ngokuthi uwacalculate esayidini nali ifomula ubungawacalculate ngayo ama-velocity lawo. And then 1,500 times 2 U-VI ka-2 ubani u-VI ka-2? So u-VF ka-2 anginayo u-VF ka-2 but ngine-final momentum. So kuzokwenza same thing 2.0 and 10 exponent 3 over ms 1500 squared. Ngithole whatever in joules. Bese ngiyayi-compare-ke lezi zinto lezi, uprova kanjalo ukuthi elastic noma inelastic. Ngicela ukwenza i-calculation 1/2 ngivula i-bracket ngifaka u-2000 ngivala i-bracket ngivula i-bracket ngifaka i-fraction 6 times 10 exponent 3 over 2 1 2 3 ngivala i-bracket ngifaka u-squared plus 1/2 futhi ngivula i-bracket ngifaka 1500 ngifaka u-2 bese ngifaka u-squared. Okay, ngithola u-12,000 joules, kusho ukuthi 12,000 joules lana. Nangu 12,000 joules. Kwelandelayo ngizoba okay, ngi-editha lento enginayo kahle kahle. Editha lento enginayo khona kuzoba lula ngalokho ngiqalela phansi. 1500 ngiyoshintsha nje ama-velocity. Kuzoba lula 1.0. Okay, ngithola u-1583.33 bese ngenza i-conclusion-ke. Conclusion nayi ngithe uma ngithatha i-sum of kinetic energy before ngathola ukuthi ayilingani ne-sum of kinetic energy after. Therefore, njengoba ingalingani inequal noma-ke inelastic. Usuqedile-ke uthola kanjalo ku-5 marks loyana, noma kuphuka kanjalo ukuthi i-collision i-elastic noma inelastic by calculations. Siyabonga kakhulu, ngicela ukuthi sisitophe la for namhlanje. Sizoqhubeka sesenza i-chapter elandelayo, ngizonitshela ukuthi sizokwenza yiphi i-chapter.
Onde sou